Good morning, student. Student, in the last class, you read about the periodic table, okay, and that's analyzed with periodic table. So, and create the periodic table in spreadsheet, okay. So that means analyze data with a periodic table. We learn that how we'll create the periodic table and where the option, okay, so where the option that, so go to the insert, analyze that data with periodic, analyze data with periodic table, okay. So this topic is completed. So how will insert the periodic table, okay, so that have many step. First, go to the insert tab, yes, open the spreadsheet, that means MS Excel software program, okay, and click the on insert tab and click on after periodic table, okay, and select the range, where your data have. So today we will read about the modify periodic table data. Modify periodic table data, yes. So sometime you need to change the data, yes, in periodic table. So Excel allows you to change the data for from which periodic table is based on. So when change or edit the source data, periodic table will not show the changes in the table. So you have to refresh a table by clicking refresh option, okay student, yes. So look the step. So here are many steps. First, look student, suppose that your data fill in the database, okay, and bring the source data by clicking on sheet tab, and second step, make change to your data, okay. So suppose you change here. So in this example we change the name from Sunil to Sanjay, okay, yeah. So click on Sanjay name, okay, and erase and delete the name and fill the new name, okay, yeah. So now go back to the periodic sheet by clicking on its sheet tab. So here the data you changes in the source is not changed here, and here fourth step, click on any cell in your periodic table, and your fifth option, click on option tag, and sixth, click on refresh button in toolbar, okay student, yeah. So that's your data will be changed, clear. And next topic is in periodic table, change layout of periodic table, okay, change layout. So change layout, that means student design, cell design, okay, yes, change layout of periodic table So by clicking the design tab and pivot table, so that means you look here, different design, okay, so that you can easily change the layout of a pivot table. So there are many pre-designed style, okay, for you can choose anyone. So look in this page, simple design, no any design, okay, but you select any design for the from the layout option. So look, the new design appear. Yes, so the click, so how we will do change the layout? Here are 6 steps, okay. First step, click on any cell, click on any cell in your pivot table, so the pivot table tool will appear, okay. Yes, that's one. And click on design tab, you want to green one, okay, so click the green one and your total cell will be appear in green, okay, and this format, okay student. And click here and select style you want. So that's click on the checkbox to select pivot table style option, whether you want your pivot table to have row header, okay, column headers and banded row or banded column here, and click on report layout. So that's your report layout, different type, okay. Look, click and Excel changes your report on tabular layout, okay. Yes, so here some shadow section is a computer course, okay. Yes, and change the layout of table, pivot table, okay. And student, your fourth option, create a pivot chart, create a pivot chart. So student, a pivot chart is powerful data analysis tool that enable one to visualize a pivot table, okay. So look here, there is a different type chart, column chart, pie chart, line chart, okay student. Here are many type chart. So it can also create a quick summary of text entire, okay. So that's pivot table reveal pattern in your data, okay. Pivot chart which you base on pivot table make pattern even more apparent. So first click on any cell, same process with the create a pivot chart, and click on option tab, okay, and click on pivot chart and insert chart table box appear. So you will want which type chart, okay. So just click on that option, okay. Click here to select a chart type. Here are column chart, line chart, pie chart, okay, bar chart, area chart, stock chart, surface chart, okay student, and that bubble chart, radar chart, okay. Here are many options for create a pivot chart, okay. Yes, so just click on OK and then click here to filter the fields you want to appear in your chart and just click on OK button, okay student. And you insert a slicer in pivot table, insert slicer in pivot table and chart. So the slicer is a new feature in MS Excel 2010 student, okay. Yes, so that's rich visualization of your pivot table view to show your can dynamically segment and filter the data to display. So just what you need. So this is a new feature. Okay students, so this is a new feature starting in Excel 2010. Okay student, yes. So here's 8 step for the create a insert slicer. Okay, yes, create a pivot table and chart as shown in previous section. So click on any cell in your pivot table and the pivot table tool will appear. So that one, okay, tool, and here option is slicer. Okay, yeah, so click on insert tab and click on slicer. Click and then select the desired field from the list to view respective pivot table and chart. Okay, here are many type codes. So which type you want? Chart. So just click the slicer option and just click on OK button. Okay student, yes. So this is a new feature. So here are 5 topic: how analyze data with pivot table and modify pivot table data, change the layout pivot table and create a pivot table chart, and insert slicer. Okay student, yes. So this is a very new knowledge in MS Excel software. Okay, yes. So and after do the question answer, and which student have PC and laptop, just do the practice. Okay, and write the question answer. So first your MCQ. First MCQ multiple choice question. A. It perform calculation on the data in the worksheet. Okay, so your answer second formula. And B. When the data of worksheet changes in formula, this feature is called recalculation. Recalculation. And C. Pivot table are based on list. And D. This field enables you to filter the data that appear in your report. Filter. Okay, student. And your second question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So A. Slicer is the new feature. So fill slicer. Okay, in the first column, student. And B. Each worksheet has more than 17 billion. Okay, 17 billion cell in which you can enter data. And C, fill in the blanks is discrete variable, so quarter. And D, the pivot table layout consists of 4 elements. So what is the 4 element? Report filter, filters, second data, columns, and row. Okay, here are 4 fill in the blanks, so the 4 option is present. And we can display our table in compact tabular, or outline. Okay, from will changing layout of pivot table. And F, 3 popular chart types are column, pie, and line. Okay, student, column, pie, and line. And last, fill in the blanks. Cell contains 3 types of data. So labels, values, and formulas. Okay, student, clear? Okay, so clear your fill in the blanks. So fill the word in fill in the blanks. Okay, and your third question, true or false? True or false? A, the number or value can be used in calculation, so that's true. And B, data is organized horizontally in column and vertically in row. No, that's wrong, false. Okay, data is organized or horizontally this type is row, and vertically that is column. Okay, student. And C, Excel opens the pivot table field list on same worksheet. So no, the other worksheet. Okay, yes, so that false. And D, row level field show as row level down the left side of pivot table, that's true. Field list button help to change the way of the pivot table. Yeah, that's true. By clicking on refresh button helps to see the edited source data. So that's true. Okay. So complete your true false, and look the very short answer. Very short answer. First, A. Name the popular spreadsheet program. Student, you know that question? Name the popular spreadsheet program. So, popular spreadsheet program name is MS Excel. Okay, student. How does spreadsheet help us? So, spreadsheet help us to organize the worksheet and see what is recalculation. Okay, student. Question is what is recalculation? So write the answer. Recalculation is used when the data of worksheet changes spreadsheet recalculates the rest of the worksheet. Okay, student. And D, next question is which filter enable us to filter the data that appear in our report. So report filter enables us to filter the data that appears in our report. Okay, student. So E question. Which is powerful data analyze tool that enables one to visualize a pivot table? So answer is pivot table. Pivot table is a powerful data analysis tool that enables one to visualize a pivot table. Okay, student. And last question, define quarter. F question, define quarter. So write it. Quarter is another discrete variable because all values fall into one of four quarters. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 or quarter 4. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Okay, students, that's a complete question, answer, MCQ, fill in the blanks, true, false, and very short question answer. Okay, so please write down in notebook and learn the question answer. Okay, student, so please do that and learn the question answer. Okay, and next class we will discuss about the next question answer. Thank you so much. Have a good day.